Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Epic Game Launcher login error that you are been experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the error message technically reads there was an error processing the credentials from the external login system. Please contact support. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing would be just to go to the start menu and go ahead and restart your computer guys. And after restarting your computer, then attempt to sign back into the Epic Game Launcher and see if that has resolved the problem. If this doesn't help you, then you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Here you need to check if these systems are operational. If you are noticing any issues, you may want to wait until the system become operational, and you need to refresh guys the website and see if that has repaired to the operational status. This is not Epic Game Launcher fault guys, this is server problem. So kindly please wait until this server get back. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.